Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome to today's video. I'm here with my daughter Lennon, and it is her spring break, so we are about to head to the Dollar Tree and do a little Dollar Tree shop with me. So let's go in and see what this Dollar Tree has. I'm on the hunt for these darn white acrylic, I think ceramic, that's the word, ceramic bunnies with gold in the ears. Can't find them.
If you can find them in Orlando, leave a comment below.
Yes, if you've seen them in Orlando, leave a comment below. What Dollar Tree? I will go there. But fingers crossed this Dollar Tree has it. Let's go in and see what they have. Oh, those are pretty. No, they're pink. Aren't those pretty? I know. They're like a metallic, like a soft metallic-y pink. These are cute. These little glitter water bracelets. You do? You like those socks?
I thought they were long.
What is on this? I was actually thinking about getting a hula hoop and using it for a little DIY, cute little shovel and whatever, rake. Emoji beach balls. A pool noodle chair. What? So you get a noodle and you put that on the chair. That looks like my kind of thing. I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna get it. Boom. Not that I'm getting in the pool yet, but you know. I've never seen anything like that. Wine shade glasses. Interesting. You ready to get out of here, kiddo? All right, so we are all done shopping at the Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, they did not have my bunnies, nor the floral that I was on the hunt for and have been on the hunt for. We found a couple cool new things though, right?
Yep.
A couple cool new things. So we hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. I am going to do a haul from this trip and one other Dollar Tree trip that I went and didn't do a shop with me there. So that will be coming up. I'm not sure which video will come up first, but if the haul is already up, I will link it. And if it's not already up, I'll look forward to it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. A thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And what else should they do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe if you're new. All right, that's it. Happy spring break for y'all in spring break, and we're heading to Disney.
Bye.